Oh. Oh.
In there. For some reason, I can't buy it.
Because you're poor.
I'm not using the mouse, so I can't really adjust the camera. Can you not?
Why is it so fast?
I'm going fast.
Does it really miss them speed? We've gone past it.
Just past